Artisan AI is a local-first prompt and SEO optimized metadata factory powered by local edge models. It's built for creators and studios who need a high-volume, hybrid system to handle the heavy thinking behind the asset production. Artisan does the heavy lifting right from the get-go, and it also orchestrates the prompt engineering SEO metadata for hundreds or even thousands of assets simultaneously. The system uses a zero-trust overlay network built on tail scale. In plain English, your prompt and SEO metadata factory is invisible to the public internet. No one can hop onto your network or see your property prompts without their device being cryptographically approved by you. It gives only creators and teams a private vault for their creative logic. Since Artisan is web-based, you can access the dashboard from a standard browser or any software using web view tags, provided your device is on the Tailscale Admin Panel approved list. Artisan AI was built to empower individual creators and small studios. By leveraging a local-first or hybrid model, teams can mass-produce non-sensitive assets at scale without being buried under massive operational costs. Data privacy is at the core of this project. In an era where data is often harvested without consent, I designed this suite to run privately on consumer hardware. Over-reliance on the cloud isn't just a financial risk, it is a security risk. By adopting a smarter localized approach, I have ensured that creative logic stays off the cloud while maintaining the ability to scale. The goal is simple. Give creators the power to automate the friction of production so they can focus on the art itself. And that's exactly what I've done for myself. I have personally designed companion apps which include an application called GoToSlider and another one called Autoscaler, which automatically upscales any images I mass produce via this entire pipeline. Has helped me automate nearly 90% of my art business. My name is Cynthia Castillo, and this is Local First AI.